Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool little design. You can make both these really quick, just following a few steps. Let's take an ellipse. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to make a duplicate. I'm going to take it, holding down the Shift key, and I'm going to make another circle. Now I'm going to select both these, go up to Effects, and Blend, and we're going to blend them just like 8 times. Now I need to go, you've got to go and break the blend apart. And I would strongly suggest you go up to Object and ungroup them. And then select them all and make them something other than a hairline. And then go up to Object and convert the outlines to an object. And then I'm going to left click, right click. So we have our basic design. We're going to move this up a little bit. And I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and click on the rotation and go to where it says a node. You've got to be on the node because that's the center of the bottom circle. We've made a duplicate, so we're going to rotate it 45 degrees. Well, you know what? I didn't group it together. So let's group it together, Control G. Let's move it up. Doesn't really matter. Control D to duplicate, double click on the rotation and make sure you get on that node and then rotate it 45 degrees. That's all you need. We can do several things, but I think the easiest thing is let's zoom in. And if you'll just kind of zoom in on the lower section and take your Smart Fill tool, set on any color and fill in these lines. Well, let's back up here. Before I do anything like that, I always like to do this. I like to group them together, Control G. That way I can get rid of them just with one click. So we're going to fill in these. And then because I group this, I can move this out of the way. Now that's going to be the shape we need. So I'm going to Control G to group it. I'm going to Control D to duplicate it. And I'm going to move the rotation to that tip or that node. Well, we rotated 45, so we're going to go 45 again. And we get this right here. And it matches up perfectly. Now, you can keep that, Control G to group it, hit P to put it in the center of the page, and then you could make any shape, but let's just do an ellipse and hit P. And you could actually make it a little bit bigger, but it doesn't really matter. And then take both items and got 2 items selected and go up to the intersect tool and you have that shape. Pretty cool. Hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.